Today in our 2013 Ford Focus, we'll be looking at our best wiring options. We have two wiring options here today. If you have a hatchback model, we have different options available for you on our website. Over here to your right, we have the Tekonsha T1 vehicle wiring harness with a 4-pole flat connector, part number 118548. Over here to the left, we have the Curt vehicle wiring harness with T connector, part number C56138. This will also give us a 4-pole flat trailer connector. Now both of our boxes here provide our trailer's lighting functions isolated from our vehicle's wiring system. Now the Tekonsha wiring box has advanced circuitry in it, which will prevent any backfeeding of voltage if our trailer has a short, so it won't cause any damage to our vehicle's expensive lighting circuitry. Just something to keep in mind. If you want that added protection, the Tekonsha is the way to go for that. Both of our vehicle wiring harnesses will give you a 4-pole flat trailer connector. Both of these give you the lighting requirements that you need by law to tow a trailer. You'll have your tail lights, your brake lights, and your turn signals. So this will cover all your lighting requirements that you need. Now both of our wiring harnesses, 4-pole flat trailer connector, where it goes to hook up to your trailer, they're both about the same length. And they're, as you can see, quite long, which is very good because this wiring is meant to be stored inside the vehicle. If we step over to our Focus that we have here today, we can show you how that works. Let's open our trunk. We lift up on our spare tire cover here. You can see our wiring stored on the inside off to the left. Set it to the side of our trunk latch. Close our trunk on up. And we're ready to hook up to our trailer. We have the Curt wiring harness currently installed. So our Tekonsha will look exactly the same way once it's installed, except for the fact that the dust cover is part of the connector here. Now when you're not towing your trailer, the nice thing about these is you can easily store them back inside. You just open up your spare tire cover here and set them off to the side in your styrofoam tray that your spare tire tools are in. You have a completely open floor. You don't have to worry about your wiring getting damaged or getting snagged on any of your cargo when you're loading and unloading your trunk. All right, now both of our connectors here, with our Tekonsha and our Curt, both connect in line with the vehicle wiring. We have the T1 style on the Tekonsha and the T connector here on our Curt. Same concept, same idea, just different names that different companies provide for the same connection. There's no cutting, no splicing involved. You just unplug your vehicle wiring harness from your tail light and plug this in between the two. It's a very simple and easy connection there. Both of our wiring harnesses will have to be supplied power directly from the battery. And you do that with the included roll of wire that you make your connection here in butt connectors and then run up to the battery with a fuse holder that comes in your kit. Your hardware kit has your ring terminals, your fuse holders, and your butt connectors, and some zip ties, as well as your fuse, in order to make your connection. Now, both of these do exactly the same thing. If you're just going to be towing a trailer once and you want something simple and cost effective, the Curt will be perfectly fine for you to work. If you're going to be towing a trailer on a consistent basis, the Tekonsha might be something you consider because it does isolate your vehicle's lighting system from the trailer and gives you that added protection. That completes our look at the best wiring options for the Ford Focus.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.